how are you? Poppa here. Listen, thing I get asked the most, what do? You cook this giant pork butt. In this case, it was 16 pounds of carnitas. I've got some pork left over. What do? Well, I've got several videos on it. Today, I'm going to do one coupled with probably the second or third most requested question is, I'm in a hurry. This all takes so long. What am I going to do? So you take your leftover beautiful carnitas that we have. We cooked authentically in a copper pot. But then we just get creative. And this is not trying to cure the common cold or the most epic recipe. But here's an example of Uncle Ben's, well now it's called Ben's, ready rice, ready beans and rice. So it's a Cajun dish, red beans and rice, and I actually think it tastes really good. Now what we're gonna do, we come here, we're gonna lower our heated pork. So it's 90 seconds to heat the beans and rice, 60 seconds for the pork. It's almost done, isn't it? I got a couple secrets coming. We got our red beans and rice, we got our pork. Thank God for squeezed bottle crema. Hit with a couple dots here. Tabasco, company I work for. And one last little hot sauce trick. Sriracha, baby. I present you with a 3-minute meal. Just stir it up. Anybody care to join me? Listen, there's no way you can make a faster, better meal with leftover pork. Big Poppa loves you. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Twitter, YouTube, and BigPoppaSmokers.com and CookingWithBigPoppa.com. Adios.